Welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the pink bow heels in a Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and to create this pink bow heel in Dress to Impress, you need to go to the VIP room, and then you can grab this shoes. Okay, and you can color it pink. Wait, I'm going to show you the color code. You can go to the wheel and you can color it this pink. Okay, I'm going to make them pink. Okay, you can use this code, guys. Alright, it's done. And then I'm going to go to this area and grab this ribbon. And you can color it the same. Okay, this is for the color code. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create the pink bow heels in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!